Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back with the presentation of this mini album made for the Page Events design team. I didn't do a step-by-step video because it would have been way too long, and generally when I make an album I do it in several stages and over several days. But I will walk you through the design steps and details. So this album measures 5.5 by 6 inch and it contains 7 4 by 6 inch photos. I made the cover with 2 pieces of chipboard covered with white imitation leather. For the decoration, the covers, I first coated them with gesso to add the shimmers, tickles, turquoise, and it's meant to be inks. And then use the polka dots stencil by Page Events to add pattern and texture. So this decoration will be the same on every page of the album. I used the Go the Scenic Route collection for this album, perfect for the theme. This album includes some photos of a day spent in Elunda in Crete on a trip in 2019. This country is just beautiful and the people are lovely. Back to this album. The covers are decorated the same mirrored with cut flowers, Polaroid, puffy phrase and accent stickers. Tickets cut from 17 paper. I love the tickets. And the title Crete and 2019 with the alphabet chipboard stickers from the collection. To close the album, I integrate polka dot ribbons. I continue with the interior. The pages are made with watercolor paper, so I started by doing the background of all the pages with the same inks as the cover, and then I added this stamp here and there. In tone on tone with pink fresh studio inks. It adds some very subtle details, and I'm done with the polka dots stencil. I assembled the pages and added the photos. Here I cut the photo in two. Okay. For the decoration, I use the cut files of Paige Evans, Love You Lots, Love This Like, Today is a Good Day, One Day at a Time, and Best Day Ever. That I cut to keep only the word needed, and as I didn't want to overload the decoration too much, I just glued the cut files without adding the interior, and I choose a very colored paper for them. It's paper 8. I love this paper. For example, with these cut files, I only used the words good day. Here. Okay. Then I added a stamp from the paper 3. Stamp, stitched puffy stickers, word, sticker chipboard, here, flowers and butterfly, stamp, puffy stickers, chipboard, butterfly. I made the same decoration on each page. In the photos, I saw tickets, road trips, adventure, more or less, ticket to fun, amazing, up for adventure, always together, every day is good, and loving this life. I inserted tags between each page to document this day and to bring a little fantasy. This tag comes from this paper. And this one from Ephemera. This tags comes from Ephemera. Ephemera also, and these tags come from this paper again, and this one from Ephemera. Okay, and finally I added black ink splatters all over the album to add contrast and because I love it. I hope you liked this album. I love doing it and immersing myself into small memories. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a great creative week. See you soon.